Hey guys, it's Big Deal. And join me today as we ride in the cab of White Pass and Yukon, Route 3002. This locomotive built by National Railway Equipment features an EMD 645 hooked up to a modern control stand, and we'll ride log cabin, British Columbia, all the way to the border checkpoint at Fraser. This video was shot with a GoPro, so we're going to put some music here to hide some of the wind noise. Enjoy. Hey, hey, you made it. You made it to the end of the video. That means you can actually watch one of these.
Also, if you haven't, make sure you click like and subscribe so you can watch another one of these great videos since you made it to the end of this one. Thanks for watching.